Hey guys, Matt here with Matty Builds or Dog and Pine Leather Goods. I know. This is part 4. I got it right, part 4, coming to you on this fine Monday morning. I'm going to be working on attaching the belt loops to this. Then I'm going to do a fit up with the belt. I still don't have the materials because I haven't had a time to run down to Tandy. But let's get started with that. Again, thank y'all for watching. So here's the thing. I know when I'm making this, and it's, again, I don't know what if I just got these rivet holes off a little bit. So some of these, you can see, nice, lots of space, which I like. And then some, when you get a couple of them, they didn't have as much. And that's literally like, it's fine. But this is essentially the idea I was going for. So I'm just gonna, this isn't dyed yet, but I just wanted to kind of give y'all an idea of what we're doing. So good thing I gave that clearance though, because this, I can already tell I was gonna struggle if I did not get that clearance. So. So, as you can see, this is working out pretty well. I'm actually really happy with this. So, still don't know what color to do the actual belt part with, but I'm thinking I want to definitely do it a different color than the green, but I have to be careful. Part of the reason I went ahead and dyed the belt is because, this one part. So yeah, that's it. So you get the idea. We have the actual belt. This main part, the green part, is not going to be actually like attached. The green part is where I'm going to attach the lower and upper armor. So I'm gonna do another little doodle and kind of show y'all what I'm thinking, and hopefully y'all get a good idea. So. I'm literally just balancing that on my toolbox right now. But yes, I have this awesome part done. So still, again, trying to figure out what color I want to do. I am going to probably be heading to Tandy either tomorrow or next week. Today is Monday. Oh yeah, so this is coming out on a Monday. So I've probably already been. No, I haven't. But I'm trying to get over to Tandy because I got an event at a library where I'm going to be doing like a little craft day where we make keychains and stuff. You know, just fun, but I need to get supplies for that because I don't have enough. So I think I'm going to leave this here. I'm actually going to switch gears and work on the tabard piece. So one thing I want to do with this is I am using this as essentially a way to also show off my stuff. So I'm using my logo as my like seal that's going on all my armor. You know how you'd have like a house seal? That's what I'm doing with my armor. So I want to have it in a bunch of different places, but I don't want to just like laser it on and leave it be. So I'm actually going to take this piece, and there's going to be like a circle or something that's going to get riveted on the outside, and that's going to be there. There's going to be a stomach piece that's going to also go, and the logo is going to be there. It's probably going to go on some, I'm going to make some like Warhammer purity seals, and the wax stamp is going to be the logo. It's going to be, I'm going to have my logo all over, not over the top. I'm trying to do it like good, but I definitely want my logo on my armor in a couple different places. So I'm going to switch over to the computer, see if I can work on that. I'm going to try to figure out how to record this since it's on my computer and not using my phone. So we'll see. Okay, so I've been having a little trouble trying to actually get the footage. I didn't even bother trying to record working on this because it's only going to take a little bit. What does that mean? 1 second. I know it's not going to turn out great trying to record a monitor, but yeah, using Glowforge, that's what I got going on right now. That's going to go on the tablet part. So, sorry, the reason I paused a second ago, all of a sudden a warning came up because what I do is instead of making the line super aggressive, sometimes what I'll do is just do multiple lines on top of each other so that it will do something different. Like I'll explain in a minute. Alright, so I'm working on the logo, so I got it enough. Yes, it got a little crispy, and I knew this was going to happen. Again, I'm trying to go ahead and preemptively add a little wear and tear into my armor. Again, this is my thought process behind it. I am trying to now clean it up with water and rags. Try to get the soot off there before I oil it up and dye it. Still haven't figured out a color, but I'm going to rivet a hole into each of these little spots to then rivet it to the tabard, so we'll get to that. So, don't really love the color. I'm waiting for it to dry to see what happens. Decided not to go with that little bit of splash of orange red on there, but now I'm like, okay. So it's all purple. Might have to redo the logo, but I'm thinking purple and green is going to kind of be, I don't want to be looking like the Hulk, but it's a good color combo. I've been seeing a lot of armor that has like a mushroom vibe to it, and I like it. So I'm going to I'm actually going to take the belt now and do purple. So let's see what happens. Alright, I'm going to let that dry right now. I'm going to just let it sit. You can see it in part 5. So I'm going to call this here for this video, guys. I know these are shorter, but I want to be able to put more of these out, put in the shorter content. So I know 10-15 minutes isn't super short, but it's not like that long term of like the hour-long content. So I just wanted to kind of do some of that here, bring all along. I definitely want to try to show you more techniques. I know I'm kind of just showing y'all whatever right now, but definitely going to do more. Please, guys, like, subscribe, comment. If you're liking it, please give a like, give a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and please leave some comments because I need feedback to know what I can do better, what I'm doing good, just tidbits. So, hey, y'all have a great Monday. Y'all take care. Have a great...